This is the technological jewel for Lehigh-Hanson in North America.
Union Bridge plant is our signature flagship operation in North America as far as volumes and sales.
Production per week is close to 70,000 tons a week. We usually do between 2 and 3 shots a week.
It is one of the few sites we have in Orica that has fully embraced all of the technical services that we can offer, from propeller mapping of the quarry every single month to drone profiling with photogrammetry every single shot. They really do pull out all the stops to ensure that they have the best blast results they can see in their quarry.
We would get an image once a year of our site through a company that flew a helicopter and airplane over top and took a picture, and that was what we had to work with from year to year.
The ability to get a flight once a month as opposed to once a year gives us more real-time data. So what we've seen is occasionally walls will become out of alignment with where they should be. We could correct that in a month as opposed to a year of it being in the wrong direction. For us, that could be millions of dollars to go back and to correct that.
Be able to know day to day what's going on, and with the help of Orica, Propeller, and HTC, they've made my job a lot easier and more drilled into what needs to be done and where we need to go.
So one of the benefits of having Orica perform this work for us instead of doing it in-house is there's some synergies that are gained between what they have to do to perform their job and what we need as far as information. So this Propeller allows us to collaborate and integrate those different tools into an easy to understand visual representation of where they're at.
The next step then led us to the RTK drone with the arrow point with the full PPK setup. That has really changed the way that we fly and use Propeller in our business, and we absolutely love it. It is quick, it's easy, and most importantly for our operators flying, it keeps us safe and out of the way of the quarry while still delivering the results we expect and that our customers expect.
There's obviously not a lot of surface area for us to be down on the floor, the active floor, while the equipment's running. So from just the sheer safety aspect of not being in their way, the drone technology has just greatly improved that. That was our biggest driving force.
So before flying with a drone, we would design a blast using a 2D laser profiler on the floor of the quarry in front of the blast face, usually having to dodge equipment or delay their production schedule so that our operators can be safe. When we've switched over to the drone technology, our operators can be away from that. They don't have to be in the way of equipment, so it adds a huge level of safety to our operators and a huge benefit in our data analysis too, so we can design better blasts.
So their technical service group is using the flyovers not only to upload to Propeller, but they do 3D modeling of the shot and profiling of the shot, which is very important to the blast dynamics of the results that we see on the ground.
It shows that we are investing in what the market has to offer to give them the best solutions.